Hi Soul Tribe, welcome back to Organically Ashley. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I grew my audience in 2023 and some pointers and tips in how you can do it as well. So the number one, there's going to be some points, okay? So I'm going to have a couple of different points that I'm going to bring out, but the first key point that I want to express to you and what helped me grow my audience is consistency, okay? So consistency is key. And I know it's cliche and I know everybody's heard this before, right? But there's a reason why that saying is so true, okay? This is something that I've struggled with for a long time, being consistent. I was kind of a person that was in and out of things. I would go hard, fall off, like it was just, you know, sometimes it's hard to be consistent, right? So I'm gonna teach you what helped me to become consistent, okay? So I basically created something. I came up with this. What you wanna do is you wanna get a planner, your phone, anywhere where you can write, okay? So for me, I like physically writing and I like having a planner. I feel more organized. So what I did is I said to myself, I'm going to be posting consistently for 30 days. So what did I do? In my planner, I wrote down 30-day goal, post content, whether it was YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. Okay, so what I did is I basically dated it for 30 days. So let's say January 1st to January 30th. And what I did is I basically wrote on the date, each day, okay, I wrote Instagram posted, TikTok posted, other Instagram posted. So I made sure for 30 days to post content, whether it was a reel, whether it was a story, whether it was a YouTube short, whether it was a TikTok. Now, I have a lot of platforms, different platforms. So I just said, you know what? I'm gonna post on all of them and let's see what happens. So I did miss a few days and that's normal and that's okay and that could happen. So what I did was the days that I missed, let's say I missed 3 days, after the 30 days, I just added 3 more days on. Now let me tell you, from posting for 30 days, I've gained, I would say 6,000 new followers on TikTok. I had about 7 videos go viral with like over 100K views and with 10K likes plus on it organically. So this is just me telling you guys that like it works. Am I exactly where I want to be overall? No, but if I continue to implement this plan, I'm just gonna continue to grow and grow and grow and grow. So I'm here to tell you that this really works, and this you should apply to everything. So I just wanted to test it out. I wanted to be like, okay, like let me just try and be consistent with something, and it worked. Number 2 is staying positive. And what I mean by this is that not every post you upload is gonna do well, but don't let that discourage you from posting. So even though, let's say one post may do super well and the other post may not, it's fine. It's a part of growth. You have to enjoy the small wins. 3 is being grateful. So that ties into what I said before. Sometimes in life, we feel as though we can only be happy when we reach a certain quota, or when we have the nicest car, or we're the richest person. And it's like, life isn't like that. You have to admire and be happy with the small things in life. So you have to be happy no matter what. Even if, okay, you're not where you want to be, you're practicing gratitude. So let's say a post, you got 10 new followers. That's a big accomplishment. It may not be 100,000, but counting the little accomplishments, because you have 10 more followers than you had before you started. So taking those counting those small wins will really get you through even the tough times. So I hope this helped. These are the 3 points that helped me, and I hope it helps you. So get you a book and basically write the dates and stay consistent for 30 days, and let me know in the comments down below if it helped you grow somewhat, or if you guys have any questions. Hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned for more content.